Hi, Rose. So I wanted to show you there is a way that you can kind of override Excel's pesky way of trying to like auto format everything you type. That was pretty clever to actually try the space in between the five, but unfortunately, the way that Absorb is set up, that would probably error out. So I'm going to show you really quickly how I could get those numbers to stick exactly as I typed them. The first thing that I would do is click on the cell that the data is in, then right click, then click Format Cells here from the drop down menu. And then I've got different options as to how I want to format. When you select text, it formats the cells so that the numbers are treated as text. And so that way the cell is going to be displayed exactly as entered. So if you select text, then it isn't going to try to auto format these numbers as like times or percentages or decimals or something like that. Hope that is helpful. Bye.